In this video, I'll show you how to use the Hoop app step by step. After downloading Hoop and logging in with your Snapchat account, you'll land on the main screen where you can start discovering new people. To send someone a request for their Snapchat, simply tap the Snapchat icon on the bottom right of their profile. This will cost you 10 diamonds. If you're not interested, tap the X icon on the left to skip. You can also tap the star icon to send an ultra like that stands out more to the person. Another option is the flash request button, which sends your snap request to over 100 users at once to boost your chances of getting replies quickly. To manage your profile, tap the profile icon at the top left. From there, you can edit your display name, add photo decorations, and earn more diamonds through various in-app activities. If you need to access your settings or adjust preferences, just tap the gear icon on the top right. And that's it. A quick and easy guide to using Hoop. Thanks for watching.